Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve the examples in problem set for 5th, that is from the chapter of probability of maths paper first. In the previous video we already solved first 4 questions in this problem set 5th, first 3 questions. Now in this video we are going to start from the example number 4. See the example. Joseph kept 26 cards in a cap bearing one English alphabet on each card. One card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card drawn is a oval card? Here the random experiment is the one card is drawn from the cards in that cap bearing one English alphabet on each card. So first we write the number of sample space. First of all we write the random experiment here. See, one card is drawn at random from a cap containing 26 cards bearing one English alphabet. On each, and therefore this number of years equals to 26. Why? Because there are 26 cards and alphabets are also 26. Now this is the event. Which event is given? That the card drawn is a oval card. So let A be the event that the card drawn is a oval card. We know that the ovals are ovals in English alphabet. These are A, E, I, O and U. Therefore number of A equals to 5. किंवा आपण इथे असे लिहू शकलो असतो की there are 5 ovals in the English alphabet. Therefore number of A equals to 5. Now we have to find the probability of this event. Now probability of A equals to number of A upon number of years, that is equals to, here number of A 5, number of years 26, that is the probability of this event that the card drawn is an oval card is 5 by 6. So here we write the answer. Therefore the probability that the card drawn is a oval card is 5 upon 26 here. In this way here we find the probability of the given event or the asked event. आता इथे आपल्याला सॅम्पल स्पेस सुद्धा लिहिता आला असता. S इक्वल्स टू ABCD EFGH पूर्ण अल्फाबेट्स इथं लिहावे लागले असते. पण इथं त्याची आवश्यकता नाही, कारण हे 26 कार्ड्स आहेत आणि प्रत्येकावर एक इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट आहे. दॅट्स वाय नंबर ऑफ S इक्वल्स टू 26 here. Now the next question is question number 5. A balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. He wants to choose one of them at random to give it to Pranali. What is the probability of the event that Pranali gets a red balloon, a blue balloon and a green balloon? Here 3 events are given. The random experiment is one balloon. He wants to choose one balloon from the total, that is 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. That is total 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. It means the balloon vendor has 9 balloons. See, let the balloon vendor has 2 red, that is R1, R2, 3 blue, that is B1, B2, B3 and 4 green, that is G1, G2, G3 and G4. Now he want to choose one of them at random. He want to choose one of them at random. This is the random experiment. And therefore the sample space is all possibilities कुठल्या येतील. These are R1, R2, B1, B2, B3, then G1, G2, G3 and G4. And therefore this number of S equals to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Therefore number of S equals to 9. Here three events are given. The first event is that the balloon is a red balloon. Then the second event is a blue balloon. And then third event is the green balloon. तर प्रत्येकाची probability आपल्याला find करायची आहे. Now let A be the event that Pranali get red balloon, a red balloon. Here therefore the event is there are two red balls R1, R2. Therefore number of A equals to 2. Now we have to find the probability of this event, that is probability of A equals to number of A upon number of S, and therefore it is equals to 2 upon 9. Then the second event is, suppose let it be B. B be the event that Pranali get a blue balloon. Therefore the event B is, see there are three blue balloons, that is B1, B2 and B3, and therefore number of B equals to 3. Now probability of B equals to number of B upon number of S, and therefore this probability of event of getting blue ball equals to 3 upon 9, that is equals to 1 upon 3. Here the third event is that the balloon is a green balloon. Here we write let C be the event that Pranali get a green balloon. We know that there are four green balloons. These are G1, G2, G3 and G4. Therefore number of C equals to 4. Now this probability of event C equals to number of C upon number of S, and therefore its probability of event C equals to 4 upon 9. That is, the probability of the event that the Pranali get a green balloon is 4 upon 9. Now the next question is question number 6. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue and 3 green balls. Here Rutuja wants to pick a pen at random from that box. What is the probability that the pen is blue? That means that here we have to find the probability of this event that the pen is blue. First we write the sample space or number of sample points in the sample space. Here a box contains 5 red, 8 blue and 3 green pens. That is total how much pens? 5 plus 8, 13 plus 3, 16 pens in the box. And Rutuja wants to pick a pen at random. This is the random experiment. See, Rutuja wants to pick a pen at random, and therefore the number of yes, the number of sample points in the sample space equals to here 16. Now the event is the pen picked is a blue pen. Here we write let A be the event that the pen is blue, and therefore this number of A equals to, here there are 8 blue pens, here we write this number of A equals to 8, किंवा इथे आपल्याला सेंटेन्स लिहिता आलं असतं की there are 8 blue pens, therefore number of A equals to 8. Now we have to find this probability of this event, that is probability of A equals to number of A upon number of yes, and therefore probability of A equals to 8 upon 16, and therefore this probability of the event A equals to 1 upon 2. And therefore here we write the answer, the probability that the pen is blue is 1 upon 2. म्हणजे दिलेल्या इव्हेंटची, आस्क्ड इव्हेंटची प्रोबॅबिलिटी किती आली, 1/2. Now the next example is example number 7. The 6 faces of a die are as shown below. These are A, B, C, D, E and A. तर जनरली जे डाय असतात त्याच्यावर जे फेस असतात त्याच्यावर नंबर्स असतात 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 पर्यंत. म्हणजे each die has 6 faces and the number from 1 to 6. पण या ठिकाणी थोडीशी डाय चेंज दिलेली आहे, त्याच्या फेसवर नंबर न लिहिता हे अल्फाबेट्स लिहिलेले आहेत. म्हणजे एका फेसवर ए आहे, दुसऱ्यावर बी आहे, तिसऱ्यावर सी आहे, फोर्थवर डी आहे, फिफ्थवर ई आहे आणि सिक्स्थवर पुन्हा ई आहे. म्हणजे ए हा हे अल्फाबेट असणारा फेस हा 2 वेळेस आहे. सी इफ द डाय इज रोल्ड वन्स, दिस इज द रॅन्डम एक्सपेरिमेंट. First we have to write the sample space of this random experiment, and then we have to find the probability of the following event. These are, the first event is A appears on upper face, and the second event is D appears on upper face. First we write the random experiment. The die is rolled once, and therefore the sample space is, आता ही डाय स्पेशल आहे ज्याचे फेसेस हे दिलेले आहेत, त्यामुळे हेच आपल्याला पॉसिबिलिटीज लिहाव्या लागतील. ए, बी, सी, डी, ई and then again A. Therefore number of S equals to 6. नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉईंट्स सेम आहेत, फक्त याच्यामध्ये एक जो सॅम्पल पॉईंट आहे तो 2 वेळेस आलेला आहे. जनरली आपण सेट लिहित असताना लिस्टिंग मेथडमध्ये एक एलिमेंट हा एकच वेळेस लिहितो, बट दिस इज नॉट द सेट, इट इज ओनली सेट नोटेशन. सेट नोटेशनमध्ये फक्त आपण हा सॅम्पल स्पेस लिहिलेला आहे. मग ए अल्फाबेट असणारा फेस या डायवर 2 वेळेस आहे, त्यामुळं हा सॅम्पल पॉईंट 2 वेळेस इथे येणार आहे. त्यामुळे हे ए आपण 2 वेळेस लिहिलेलं आहे. अँड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉईंट्स इन द सॅम्पल स्पेस आर 6. नाउ here let A be the event that A appears on upper face. आपण हा इव्हेंट पण ए लेट केलेला आहे, इथे तुम्ही दुसरा पण इव्हेंट लेट करू शकता, पी किंवा आर एस, दॅट ए अपियर्स ऑन द अपर फेस. आपण इथे एच घेतलेला आहे. अँड देअरफॉर द सॅम्पल पॉईंट्स ऑफ दिस इव्हेंट आर, आता या ठिकाणी हा ए इव्हेंट कसा घेतला आहे, दॅट ए अपियर्स ऑन द अपर फेस. आता सॅम्पल स्पेसमध्ये पहा ए किती वेळेस आलेला आहे, तर 2 वेळेस आलेला आहे, त्यामुळे आपल्याला हे इथं 2 वेळेस लिहावं लागेल. अँड देअरफॉर दिस नंबर ऑफ ए, दॅट इज नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉईंट्स इन द event A is 1 2. So here we write number of A equals to 2. Now we have to find the probability of this event. So here we write the formula to find the probability of the event, that P of A, that is probability of event A, equals to number of A upon number of S, that is equals to 2. Number of A equals to 2, number of S equals to 6, that is equals to 1 upon 3. Therefore the probability of A appears on upper face, see, is 1 by 3. Now the second event is given, which is the second event, that D appears on upper face. See, let B be the event that D appears on upper face, and therefore this event B, तर पहा D किती वेळेस आहे याच्यामध्ये, एकच वेळेस आहे, त्यामुळे एकच वेळेस लिहूया. Therefore number of B equals to, how many sample points in this event? It is 1. Therefore number of B equals to 1. Now this probability of event B equals to number of B upon number of S, that is equals to 1 upon 6. So here we write the answer. Therefore probability of D appears on upper face is 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. इथं जनरली डाय किंवा आपण ज्यावेळेस हा रॅन्डम एक्सपेरिमेंट लिहितो, वेन डाय इज थ्रोन, त्यावेळेस ती डाय आपण कन्सिडर करतो की जी डाय आपण त्या स्नेक अँड लॅडरमध्ये यूज करतो किंवा लुडो किंगमध्ये यूज करतो, म्हणजे जिच्यावर जे 6 स्पेसेस असतात त्याच्यावर 1 to 6 पर्यंतचे नंबर डिनोट केलेले असतात. पण या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये ही स्पेशल डाय आहे की जिच्या फेसवर हे अल्फाबेट्स या ठिकाणी दाखवलेले आहेत.